बिरेस्तारा 16 फेब्रुवारीक सांजेच्या 5 वरांचेर सेंट जॉन द बॅप्टिस्ट इगर्ज पिळर्णे वाठारात पहिलेच खेप ऐतिहासिक इन्क्लुसिव्ह भुरग्यांचो कार्निवल जालो। पिळर्णे वाठारांतल्या जाणट्या आणि भुरग्यांनी या कार्निवलात व्हडा उमेदीन वांटो घेतलो। पळयात काय खीण।
Market and of the carnival. She is a 96-year-old grandmother, and she is the grandmother queen. After the queen, we have the grandmother queen of the Salidao market, of the Pilen market and of the children's carnival.
Yeah, Mario, tell me about this Pilen weekly market that you.
Okay, so the weekly market here in Pilen is actually to empower the grassroots. We want people to start earning their living, to start businesses right from their kitchens, okay, so that they don't have to go out of their houses, they don't have to go out of their village, they don't have to go out of Goa, and they don't have to go out of the country to earn a living.
Is bonding of people, and here we are not interested about your religion, caste, creed. Anybody can come, anybody can have fun, and as you see, this is a level area we've done, so this is accessible for people who got wheelchairs. Anybody will wheelchair can come here, so it's another inclusive type of idea where everybody can come. So this week we've had some fun with the carnival. Next week will be another theme. Yeah, so every Thursday there's a different theme at this market, and people here, as you see, come from all over. So thank you very much for coming for the carnival.
Queen of Carnival and declare 5 days of festivities and merriment. PA! Ha! Ha! Animotaman! This is the first ever children's carnival, and I want you all to promote Goa's amazing culture and heritage to the world. I appeal to the government to recognize and support this only children's carnival in Goa and India. We promise to promote our state heritage instrument of Goa, the Gumot.
It's the season of Carnival. It's a festival. It's a season. Come on, everyone! If you spread out, spread out. Spread out and just dance. Viva, viva Carnival. Viva, viva, viva Carnival. Viva, viva, viva Carnival.
गोवा 365 खातीर समीप नार्वेकर, श्वेता गांवकर आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।